If you would like to mount your alarm panel on a wall, we would recommend having that professionally done. However, if you would like to mount it yourself, follow these instructions. Remove the table stand by pushing down on the stand until it separates from the back of the alarm panel. Unplug the power cord. Route the power cord through the wire channel on the back of the wall mounting plate. Plug the power cord into the back of your alarm panel. Use the included screws and wall anchors to secure the four corners of the mounting plate to the wall. Slide the alarm panel onto the mounting plate. Now you can drop the mounting plate cover between the alarm panel and the wall so that it covers the mounting plate.